Welcome to dptutorials. Blank rows and columns can clutter your data and make it difficult to work with. Follow our tutorial to discover efficient technique for removing empty rows and columns, making your Excel sheet clean and organized. While you're working or presenting the dashboards, it would be nice and add value and make your Excel more appealing to the audience. See this Excel sheet with graphs where the unwanted rows or columns have been removed. Let us try the same in this first sheet. If you select all the blank rows and right-click to select the delete option, this will only delete the rows with cell contents. And again, you will see the same blank rows. So instead, you would be again selecting the blank rows and this time select the hide option. Similarly, do for the blank columns to hide. Now, your Excel sheet is looking good with only the presentable content and removing the unnecessary blank cells. If you want to bring back the blank rows or columns, right-click on the last row or column and by selecting this, right-click and select Unhide option. That's all. Got it? So in this way, by using this small trick, you can delete blank rows and columns in an Excel sheet, and this will enhance your data management and analysis tasks. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful Excel tutorials.